If I had to bring just one dish to a summer barbecue, this would be it. Our beetroot smashed potato salad is crispy, creamy, tangy, vibrant, and absolutely packed with flavor. It's the kind of dish that turns heads and gets people coming back for seconds. And best of all, it's completely plant-based and packed with goodness. Let's dive in. First up, we're making a dill salt. In a pestle and mortar, crush together dried dill, thyme, and a good pinch of flaky salt. You want everything well mixed and slightly broken down. It's going to cling beautifully to the potatoes and pack in loads of that gorgeous flavor. Now grab your potatoes, about 1 kilo, and pop them on a tray. Sprinkle over that dill salt, drizzle with a good glug of olive oil, and toss everything together so the potatoes are nicely coated and seasoned. Now for the beetroot. Peel them, drizzle with olive oil and a pinch of salt, and then wrap them in foil like these beautiful little parcels. Place them right on the tray alongside the potatoes, then roast everything in the oven for 35 minutes. Once that first roast is done, it's time for the fun bit, smashing the potatoes. Remove the beetroot and set it aside to cool. Then grab a fork and gently press down on each potato, just enough to crack them open and create lots of lovely little rough edges. Drizzle them with a little bit of maple syrup for that sweet sticky finish, then pop them back in the oven for 15 minutes to crisp right up. While the potatoes finish off, let's make that dreamy beetroot bean blend. Take your roasted beetroot and add it to a blender with drained cannellini beans, garlic, tahini, lemon juice, cumin, and a little bit of olive oil. Blend until it's super smooth. You're aiming for a hummus-like consistency. If it's a bit thick, loosen it with a splash of water or plant milk, then season it up perfectly with salt and pepper until it's just right. Now it's time to build. Spread your beetroot bean mix on a big serving platter. This is the beautiful base layer. Top with those golden, crispy smashed potatoes straight out of the oven. Then finish it all off with some fresh dill fronds, a bit of lemon zest, and a swirl of plant-based yogurt if you like. This is not just a side dish. This is the dish that will light up your barbecue table. Hopefully you love this recipe. Do let us know if you make it or if you've got your own thoughts on how we could have made it better. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.